How to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11. To download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, open your Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. You may also click on the search bar at the bottom left and there search for Microsoft Store. Once you find the Microsoft Store, now click on it to open it. Once you open the Microsoft Store, make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. After that, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top, you will be able to locate the search bar. In the search bar, click on it and enter WhatsApp there. Once after entering WhatsApp, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be able to see the search results. Now from here, find the authentic WhatsApp application. Once you locate it, simply click on this WhatsApp icon and then you will reach inside it. Now here, you will need to locate the install or the get button. Once you find it, simply click on that button in order to download and install WhatsApp immediately. Make sure you are connected to the stable and good internet connection in order to download it smoothly. And once it has been installed, you will be able to locate the open button instead of install. Now just click on this open button right here in order to launch the WhatsApp. Once you open it, you will be able to see this interface. Simply click on this Get Started button right here and a QR will appear on your screen. Now, in order to log into your WhatsApp account, you will need to scan this QR code from your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to link your mobile WhatsApp account to your PC. Once after scanning it, you will be able to log into your WhatsApp account. Alternatively, you may also click on this link with phone number option and then enter your phone number in order to log into your WhatsApp. So this is how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.